Most people hear AI investing and think it's just about piling money into a few obvious tech giants. But honestly, that's completely missing the point. The really smart money isn't just chasing what's hot today. They're investing in what's going to be essential tomorrow. For 2026, this means they are focused on 3 key trends that most everyday investors don't even see. So let's pull back the curtain on those trends. This is the real playbook for the new AI economy. You can't escape it. Everyone's talking about the AI gold rush. But while most people are chasing the same few big-name stocks, the real story is where the pros are quietly placing their bets. Here's the big secret. They aren't just buying AI companies, they're investing across the entire AI ecosystem. They see this as a fundamental rewiring of our world, not just a passing trend. The top investment firms are all positioning for this, and their entire strategy comes down to 3 core ideas. Once you understand them, the whole playbook just clicks. First, and maybe the most important, is the move to invest in the foundations of AI. Just think of any gold rush in history. The most durable fortunes weren't made by the prospectors digging for gold, but by the people who sold them the picks and shovels. In 2026, the picks and shovels for AI are the data centers, the semiconductors, and the power grid that make it all possible. Every single AI application, from your chatbot to advanced drug discovery, runs on this physical backbone, and the spending is just off the charts. The world's biggest tech companies are in the middle of a massive spending spree. In 2026 alone, the top 5 hyperscale companies are on track to spend a combined total of roughly $660 billion to $690 billion in capital expenditures. A huge portion of that is specifically for AI infrastructure. This is just the beginning of what some analysts see as a multi-trillion-dollar build-out that will define the rest of this decade. Smart money knows that it doesn't matter which AI model wins the race, they will all need to buy these picks and shovels. It's the most fundamental bet on the entire AI revolution. The second trend that smart money is all over has almost nothing to do with flashy new tech. It's about established traditional businesses that are using AI to become incredibly efficient. Think about a global logistics company, a giant manufacturer, or a big insurance firm. For years, their profits were getting squeezed. Now they're using AI to completely transform their operations. For example, real-world case studies in manufacturing show that using AI for predictive maintenance can slash equipment downtime and cut maintenance costs by up to 40%. Or imagine a logistics firm using AI to perfect its delivery routes, saving millions in fuel. These aren't just theories. Companies are seeing this happen now. This is the hidden story of the AI boom. It's not just hype. Studies have found that companies that successfully integrate AI see real financial benefits, with many showing higher profit margin gains than their competitors. These aren't tech companies. They are industrial, retail, and financial firms turning AI into pure profit. Smart money is looking past the headlines to find these quiet winners. The third trend is about moving beyond the general-purpose AIs we all know, like chatbots, and diving into specialized tools that solve very specific, high-value problems in one industry. This is often called vertical AI, intelligence that is purpose-built for a single field, like an AI that only analyzes legal contracts, or one that only manages documents for healthcare trials. These specialized AIs are incredibly powerful because they're trained on expert data and understand the specific language and needs of an industry. Projections for the vertical AI market vary, but some analysts see it becoming a market worth over $115 billion by 2034. Venture capital firms like Bessemer Venture Partners believe vertical AI could be a much bigger market opportunity than the traditional software-as-a-service market it's replacing. Why? Because it's not just making workflows better, it's automating entire categories of expensive specialized work, tapping into labor budgets, not just IT budgets. So, that's the playbook. In 2026, smart money isn't just gambling on the next hot stock, it's about investing with a strategy that understands these 3 layers: the essential infrastructure that powers everything, the traditional companies using AI to boost their bottom line, and the specialized AI tools that solve real-world problems. This is how professional investors are building resilient portfolios to truly capitalize on the AI revolution. Now you see the strategy, not just the hype.